Ha! Going to Tylertown now. And guess what? It's a two-door sedan. Old 2930 Chevrolet. Can't wait to look at that one. Come on, Navigator, I got to go. Columbia, Mississippi, Highway 98. About to go over the Pearl River. Pearl River Bridge. Pearl River. Yeah, don't worry, I'm watching where I'm going. I'm just turning the camera, but I'm still looking at the highway. Don't freak out. Yeah, I'm on my way to Louisiana. I gotta go pick up my trailer at my brother's house in Albany, Louisiana, to come back to Tylertown, Mississippi, and get the old 31 Chevy sedan. Yep, this is Highway 98 between Columbia and Macomb, Mississippi. Nice country drive, rolling hills. And I know what 63 Impala two-door are gonna say. He said, man, that's ant hills compared to where I live. Yep, still westbound, 98. This is going through Tylertown. I got it. This red light here, north 583. About 10 miles north of 583 is where that old Chevy sedan is. But I got still got another hour and a half or so to get to Louisiana, to get the trailer. Then 2 hours back to my house, and then load the old Cummins diesel. And I hope my tractor will pick it up because he wants to trade. So, yep. Alright, after driving from my house 1 hour, driving the speed limit, we finally make it to Macomb, Mississippi. And this is not downtown. It's a small town. If we were to go downtown, you would see no high-rise buildings. Yep, road construction. Been there, done that a whole bunch of times. Southbound I-55. Welcome to Louisiana. Kentwood, Louisiana. Home of Britney Spears. Oops, I did it again. Right out of Tickball, Louisiana. And check it out. They put the rumble strips in the middle of the road up here. They don't care if you run off the road. No rumble strip on that side. They don't care if you run off the road. They don't want you running into somebody else. All right, after 2 hours driving, finally made it to my brother's house, a little west of Hammond. There's the shop, trailer back there somewhere. But anyway, last August, when they had all that flooding in Louisiana here, his house is probably one of the highest houses around here. Got it built up and everything, but still the water got in it about 15 inches of water in his house. So he just now getting it rebuilt. Thank God he had flood insurance. Okay, got my high-tech upgrade. Navigator, backup camera. Let's see if I can't back up to this trailer. The old camera lens is kind of foggy. Don't go too far, I don't want to bust the camera nowhere. Huh, that might be it right there. Yes, brother's shop, my other rat rod's in there somewhere. Yeah, after he went drag racing for the first time, he's 11 years older than me. After he went drag racing for the first time ever, at the atomic blast this past spring, and he blew the doors off that Ford Power Stroke diesel with a chip. He wants to soup up the old 454 Rat Recon. So he's gonna pull the motor, we're gonna soup it up. Okay, welcome to Ponchatoula, Louisiana. This is downtown Ponchatoula. Apply the big flags here. But this is strawberry capital of the world. Then in the 70s and 80s, it became famous for antiques. So it's kind of like the antique city of America, they call it. A lot of antique shops here. Ponchatoula, Louisiana. Coming home from my brother's house. And coming up to the site I've always looked for when I'm coming home. Yep. Pearl River Valley. Yeah, when I see this site, I know I ain't got but 20 more minutes and I'll be home. Yep, deep woods, Mississippi. Talk about backwoods rednecks. You know what year model that is?
Supposed to be a 31.
31?
I ain't gonna swear to it, that's what he told me it was.
Looks like a 31. I don't know.
I just took his word on it because I know I don't know.
Somebody put him a roof in it. Huh?
Yeah.
Got a flat tire.
Uh-oh.
I can't use it. Get off the brake, Red! What? You dummy! I ain't got no feet! Got it the other way a little bit! All right, Red, climb out of there so I put the door on it. What? You about dumb as a rock, ball. Machine right there. That is one good-looking car right there. Hey, man, I could put some air tires, it'd probably be ready to go. Huh, even got a spare on the back. Yep, well, maybe put air in a couple tires. Yep. Hey, even got a radio antenna on it. And man, look at them beautiful, big old 10-inch, 10 and a half, whatever, lights, headlight. That's gonna look fine on that rat rod. Yep. The guy had this out in the field. It was running. Somebody tore the shroud off, ripped the radiator out of it. I guess they're selling the radiator for scrap iron. But anyway, he lost interest in it and it's set in the field and the motor locked up. So I'm gonna dump some oil in the cylinders and let it sit a while. Maybe the motor will come unlocked. If it does, I'm gonna fire it up. Of course, I'm not gonna use it in the rat rod build, but the motor, transmission, rear end, and some other parts, bumpers, stuff like that's gonna be for sale. So anybody interested in the 31 Model A Independence, they call it, Independence model, I'm gonna have some. I'm gonna pick out the best two wheels, if I can find two that's straight, and then I'll clean up, sandblast, and use them on the front of the rat rod. And I'm gonna put some conventional tires or wheels on the back. I like to have some of them Coker white wall drag slicks, but man, them suckers are $400 a piece. So that might be in the future, but we want to do a budget build. Maybe after we do the budget build, I might decide to do some upgrades on it. But yeah, still got the back seat frame in it, dash, speedometer, Even got a clock in it. I don't know if that's original or not, but it's got one in there. I got the wood floorboard part back there. Somebody put an old roof on it. That's coming off. And I'm gonna either leave it convertible. I'm either gonna leave it natural sunroof, or I'm gonna put a good roof on it. Yeah. Now I got this old '99 Ford Explorer here. I'm thinking maybe I might cut the roof out of it. I might cut the roof out of it and put it in that 31 Chevrolet rat rod. I don't know yet. Okay, I got a Ford 8.8 with the disc brakes. It's a 373 gear ratio locker. Got the big axle, 31 spline axles. Is out of like a 2000 Ford Explorer. So that's going in the rat rod. 373 locker. I paid $100 for it. Alright, I got the old Corvette engine covered up there. Put some oil in the cylinders, dump some down the intake hole, so we'll see if it's going to unlock when I get ready to use it. And I got 2 turbo 350 transmissions up there. I bought 4 transmissions. It was 2 turbo 350s and 2 turbo 400s. And a couple of them had torque converters, and one of them had a 3500 stall converter in it. Imagine that. But I got all 4 of them for $100, torque converters and all. But the average person probably won't run across the deal, so we're going to call, I'm going to use one of those turbo 350s and rebuild it. And we're going to call that $100 for a 350 core. About what you could probably get one for. Probably get one cheaper, but we're going to say $100. Okay, so what we got, the guy wanted $1,000 for his old car, and I traded him a motor that I valued at $1,000, so we're gonna call it $1,000 for the car. And I'm gonna charge $100 go fetch it fee to go get it. The Corvette engine, I paid $250 for it, and I'm gonna charge $100 go fetch it fee on that. So we had $350 on the engine. We're $1,100 on the car, $100 on the rear end, and $100 on the transmission so far. So do the math. I got a spreadsheet inside on the computer. I'm gonna keep up with all the expenses. But my plan is to sell enough parts off of this car to at least get my money back and probably then some. I like to get about $1,500 out of all the drivetrain parts that I want to get rid of. But we'll see. If I get that motor running, probably won't have no problem getting that part. But yeah, gonna sell some parts to get some money back. So if that happens like I want it to, we're gonna be well down on the budget. We'll have not much money in it. Okay, here's a picture of a rat rod I found on Google that I kind of like, and I want to build this one look kind of like it. Difference is it's going to have different wheels and different motor, but pretty much the body is going to be pretty much shaped like that, chopped down, sections chopped down. Stance is going to be kind of like that, but maybe sit a little bit higher off the ground because I don't want to put no airbags on this because it costs too much money. So it's going to be sitting up a little bit higher, but yeah. And I'm gonna come in here and I'm gonna build some bucket seats out of number 9 wire shaped like spider webs. This is my plan. I'm gonna put the back window, put a spider web, side windows and the back window, put a spider web in those windows with number 9 wire. I'm gonna name it the Black Widow. And on the back I'm gonna weld a design of a Black Widow spider, put a big old red dot on it back there somewhere. But yeah, that's the plan. The Black Widow we're gonna name it the Black Widow. And I'm gonna paint it black and antique it like the 454 Rat Recon, so it look like worn metal, bare metal. So yeah, Black Widow right there. We're gonna build a rat rod, can't you see, so we can get crazy old Red and me. Gonna build it quick and add some class and give it big tires and make it haul ass. In my head, a builder's dream, only a rat rodder could ever scheme. Corvette engine and a Ford rear end. We're gonna burn some rubber and we're gonna do it again. We're gonna build us a rat rod, lopity-lope. The young boys say, hey, that's dope. Gonna be the best rat under the sun. The old folks will say, huh, wake me up when it's done.